Ladies, everything you've been told about burning fat is a lie. While you're grinding through hour-long cardio sessions and starving yourself with restrictive diets, there's a 30-second metabolic switch hiding inside your body that can torch fat 3 times faster than anything you're doing right now. And the fitness industry? They've been keeping this secret from you because it threatens their entire business model. I'm about to blow your mind and change your body forever. By the end of this video, you'll discover the exact biological mechanism that makes women's bodies burn fat differently than men's, and why ignoring this difference is sabotaging your results. You'll learn the precise 30-second technique that activates your body's hidden fat-burning furnace, and I'll show you the shocking research that proves why everything you've been doing is working against your female physiology. Plus, I'll reveal the 3 biggest lies the fitness industry tells women that keep you trapped in a cycle of frustration and failure. Let me tell you about Anne, a 34-year-old mother of 2 who came to me completely defeated. She'd been doing everything right, running 5 miles every morning, eating 1,200 calories a day, doing endless crunches, but her body completely stuck. Sound familiar? Here's what Anne didn't know, and what no one had ever told her. Women's bodies operate on a completely different metabolic blueprint than men's. We have different hormones, different muscle fiber types, and most importantly, a different fat-burning mechanism that gets shut down by traditional workout methods. Anne's story changed everything I thought I knew about female fitness, and it's going to revolutionize how you approach your own transformation. Here's the brutal truth the fitness industry doesn't want you to know. 90% of workout programs are designed by men, for men's bodies. They completely ignore the fact that women have 40% less muscle mass in their upper bodies, different hormonal fluctuations throughout the month, and a metabolic system that responds to stress completely differently. When you do high-intensity, long-duration workouts, your female body interprets this as famine. Your cortisol levels spike, your metabolism crashes, and your body starts hoarding fat like it's preparing for starvation. This is why you can work out harder than ever and still see the scale going up instead of down. Your body is literally fighting against you because you're speaking the wrong metabolic language. Now here's where it gets revolutionary. Recent research from the Journal of Applied Physiology discovered something incredible. Women have a unique metabolic pathway called the estrogen-enhanced fat oxidation system. This system can burn fat up to 300% more efficiently than traditional methods, but only when activated correctly. The secret lies in micro-intervals, specific 30-second bursts of targeted movement that trigger your body's natural fat-burning hormones without spiking cortisol. These aren't just any 30-second intervals. They're precisely calibrated to work with your female physiology, not against it. When Anne started using this method, she lost 23 pounds in 8 weeks without changing her diet or doing a single minute of traditional cardio. Her body finally started responding because we were speaking its natural language. Here's exactly how this works and why it's so devastatingly effective. Your female body has something called metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between burning carbs and burning fat instantly. But here's the kicker. This switch gets stuck in the off position when you do steady-state cardio or long, exhausting workouts. The 30-second method works by creating what I call metabolic confusion. You perform specific compound movements for exactly 30 seconds, not 25, not 35, followed by 30 seconds of complete rest. This pattern tricks your body into thinking it needs to be ready for anything, so it starts burning fat as its preferred fuel source. The magic happens in those 30 seconds of rest. That's when your body is scrambling to restore oxygen and energy, burning through fat stores at an accelerated rate. It's called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, and it keeps your metabolism elevated for up to 24 hours after your workout ends. Now let me destroy the 3 biggest lies that have been keeping you stuck. Lie number 1, you need to do cardio for at least 30 minutes to burn fat. Wrong. Your body starts burning fat within the first 10 seconds of proper movement. The problem is, after 20 minutes of steady cardio, your female body switches into survival mode and starts burning muscle instead of fat. Lie number 2, no pain, no gain. You have to suffer to see results. This is toxic masculinity disguised as fitness advice. Women's bodies respond to smart training, not hard training. When you're in pain, your cortisol spikes, your recovery suffers, and your results disappear. Lie number 3, eat less, move more. This advice is metabolic suicide for women. Restricting calories while doing excessive exercise creates a perfect storm of hormonal chaos that makes fat loss virtually impossible. The truth? You need to eat more of the right foods at the right times to support your newly activated fat-burning system. Here's how you start activating this system today. Choose 3 compound movements. I recommend squats, push-ups, and mountain climbers to start. Set a timer for 30 seconds and perform as many reps as you can with perfect form. Then rest for exactly 30 seconds. Repeat this cycle 6 times total. That's it. 6 minutes total. But those 6 minutes will do more for your metabolism than an hour on the treadmill. Do this 3 times per week, never on consecutive days. Your body needs that recovery time to rebuild and adapt. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you're exhausted, take an extra day off. If you feel energized, you're doing it right. Remember, this isn't about punishment, it's about precision. Every movement should be intentional, every rest period should be complete, and every workout should leave you feeling accomplished, not destroyed. Ladies, you now have the key to unlock your body's hidden fat-burning potential. But knowledge without action is just expensive entertainment. I want you to try this method for the next 2 weeks and watch what happens to your body, your energy, and your confidence. If you're ready to go deeper and want my complete female fat loss system, including the exact workout protocols, nutrition timing strategies, and hormonal optimization techniques that my private clients pay thousands for, click the link in the description. But more importantly, I want to hear your transformation story. Try this 30-second method and let me know in the comments how it changes your body. Your success is my success, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Now stop reading, start moving, and prepare to be amazed by what your female body is truly capable of.